where it is situated. If you see the neck, what is the extension? Extension of neck means the lower end of mandible to the suprasternal notch. Suprasternal notch. Okay. So if you see the anterior triangle, the neck is divided into anterior triangle and the posterior triangle. Okay. So tell me at first the boundary of anterior triangle. The boundary of anterior triangle. So there is one anterior midline. See everyone, last bench. What is the boundary for anterior triangle? Both sides, which muscle is there? That is sternocleidomastoid. And we have got anterior midline. Anterior midline of neck. Write it down. Anterior triangles are 2 in number, both left and right. Both left and right. Okay. And it is having the boundary of the anterior midline of neck, which extend from what is this? Symphysis menti. Okay, symphysis menti to the suprasternal notch. Symphysis menti to the suprasternal notch. Okay, so if you see the anterior triangle, again it is divided. What about the base? Write it down. It is a triangle, so that means it will have one apex and a base and also the boundary. Okay. So at first coming to the base. Base konta form korche bol? This one. Okay. The lower border of mandible. So write it down. The base is formed from base is formed from the lower border of mandible. Okay. From symphysis menti, write it down. From symphysis menti to the angle of mandible. Which one is the angle of mandible? Do you know? So which structure is going over here? Do you know? So which structure is going over there? That is the facial artery. Facial artery enters through the angle of mandible. Even you could also palpate the palpation of facial artery over the angle of mandible. So symphysis menti to the angle of mandible. Understood? Then from angle of mandible, where it is going? At the posterior surface of our ear. So there is a situation of mastoid process. So this is the base. Okay, so symphysis menti to the angle of mandible to the mastoid process. Okay, now coming to the apex. Okay, write it down. Apex would be formed by the anterior midline and also the sternal part of sternocleidomastoid. Okay, so this is about the apex. So what about the other boundary? Which boundary then? This is the apex. Now it has got two boundary. One is medial boundary, another one is lateral boundary. So medial boundary is formed by the medial boundary, means throughout, that is the anterior midline of neck. Medial boundary by the anterior midline of neck. Okay, and lateral boundary is formed by medial boundary of neck. This one only. Lateral is medial border of, very good, medial border of sternocleidomastoid. Understood? Medial border of the sternocleidomastoid. So this is the anterior triangle. This anterior triangle is further divided into. Okay, so before that we will also talk about roof. How does the roof is formed? Anterior triangle may comes as a long question. Okay, and also it may comes as some small short note. Okay, for each and every triangle. Okay, so next one is, write it down, the roof. How the roof will form? you will do the dissection, right? So how you will get over to the anterior triangle of neck? So how you will go from anterior to posterior? How you will go? First you will get the skin. Okay, write it down. Roof is formed by the skin. Roof is formed by the skin. Then next one is the superficial fossa. Superficial fossa. Okay. Now coming to the which are the structure you will get in the superficial fossa. There are some subcutaneous structure, means just below the skin. Which are the thing you will get? Write it down. Number 1. There is one vein that is known as anterior jugular vein. প্রথমে তুই superficial fossa তে কি কি পাবি? Write it down. Superficial fossa. Okay. So what are the structure you will get? Number 1 is anterior jugular vein. Write it down. Anterior jugular vein. So first one is the anterior jugular vein. So how does it form? Anterior jugular vein ta ki kore তৈরি হয়? How many anterior jugular vein are there in front? There are 2. Write it down. There are 2 anterior jugular vein. One is right, another one is left. Right and left. Okay. And where they will combine? They will combine one arch. Okay. Just write it down. They will form one arch. At a arch তৈরি করে. Okay. They will form one arch just below the apex of anterior triangle. Understood? Both side right and left jugular vein, anterior jugular vein একটা arch তৈরি করছে just below the apex of anterior triangle. Okay. So what is happening? These right and left anterior jugular vein again extend from both sides. Okay. Which will further join to the external jugular vein. Okay. Write it down. So these right and left anterior jugular vein further কোথায় জয়েন করে? The external jugular vein. ঠিক আছে? So this is the number 1 structure. আর কি কি স্ট্রাকচার পাবি superficial fossa? Write it down. There are some lymph nodes. কোন lymph nodes? Submental lymph nodes. Second one, you will get the submental lymph nodes. Okay. And what about the third one? Is there anything else? There are anterior jugular vein, superficial vein, and also you are having the lymph nodes. Anything else you will get? One very important structure. No, it is the muscle. Which muscle? Subcutaneous muscle? Platysma. Okay. So number 3 structure you will get, that is known as platysma. This is only muscle which is subcutaneous in nature. Only subcutaneous muscle. Could you tell the extension? I already told you in the face. Ball. Yes, previous day I have discussed the muscle of neck, right? In face, how many muscles are there? It is divided into 6 group, the whole face. At first, the muscle of the scalp, একটাই আছে occipitofrontalis. Then orbital muscle কতগুলো আছে? 3টে, কি কি নাম বল? Orbicularis oculi একটা, Orbicularis oculi. Okay. আর তারপরে the levator palpebrae superioris and corrugator supercilii. ঠিক আছে? নোজে কতগুলো মাসল আছে? 4টে মাসল আছে। কি কি 4টে মাসল বল? Procerus, depressor septi, then dilator naris, compressor naris. ঠিক আছে? এবার লিপেও আছে এরকম করে 5টা মাসল, আপার ফেস, লোয়ার ফেস. What about the neck? One of the group is neck. Only one muscle, that is the platysma. Okay. The platysma origin insertion কোথায়? Do you know? Write it down. Platysma originated from deltoid tuberosity, deltoid tuberosity of humerus, okay, and also some upper part of sternum, এটা হলো অরিজিন। ইনসারশন কোথায় হবে? The base of the mandible and also the angle of mandible. Okay, so remember platysma is one of the content of superficial fossa of anterior triangle of neck. Okay, then I am coming to the next structure is the deep fossa. Okay, so already the deep fossa of neck is over, right? So tell me what is the name for the deep fossa of neck? কি বলে এটাকে? একটা স্পেসিফিক নাম আছে তো deep fossa of neck. So suppose if you are cross sectioning the neck, okay, from anterior to posterior, so this is also known as investing layer of deep fossa. Write it down, investing layer of deep fossa. So next one, if you will discuss the deep fossa, okay, so first layer you will get the investing layer of deep fossa. Right, the investing layer of deep fossa. Now what is the peculiarity in the anterior triangle of neck? There are some relation, okay, which thing it encloses. Okay, so write it down, there is only one key bone that is known as hyoid. Hyoid ta kothay thake? So if you see the neck, if you are going to symphysis menti through the suprasternal notch, what are the thing you will come across? Ki pabi? Prothome symphysis menti, okay, just below that which structure you will get? Hyoid bone, okay, then below tarpore ki hobe bol? Hyoid bone er niche ki thakbe? There are two cartilage. These are the cartilage of which organ? This is the cartilage of larynx, right? So write it down, from superior to inferior, these following landmarks come across in the anterior triangle. Okay, number one is symphysis menti. So there is one bone which is being like a necklace. Okay, so this is the hyoid bone, and remember this is the only bone which has got no other bony attachment, right? So how it is hang? There are some muscle which are grouped under suprahyoid muscle, infrahyoid muscle. Okay, and which bone does not have any muscular attachment? Is already. What about callus? Just opposite. Okay, so if you see the hyoid, then below that which structure you will get? You will get the thyroid cartilage. Okay, so another name for thyroid cartilage er arekta naam ki? So that is also known as Adam's apple. Okay, Adam's apple or thyroid cartilage, and it is more prominent in males. Okay, so just below this one thyroid cartilage, you are having another cartilage that is known as cricoid cartilage. So here you will get another cartilage over here that is known as the cricoid cartilage. Okay, so investing layer of deep fossa, just write it down. So what I told, what is the bony mark? Hyoid bone. So above the hyoid bone it will enclose some structure, below the hyoid bone it will enclose some structure. Okay, so at first above the hyoid, write it down, above the hyoid, the deep cervical fossa usually single layer, having single layer. Okay, but is used to split, to enclose the submandibular gland. এই ঠিক এই জায়গাটায় থাকে submandibular gland. ওকে, এটা হয়ে গেল তো সুপ্রাহায়োড। হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট ইনফ্রাহায়োড? সো রাইট ইট ডাউন। infrahyod position, the deep cervical fossa is used to enclose, কাকে enclose করবে বলতে পারবি? কি যাচ্ছে এইভাবে যেটা বাউন্ডারি তৈরি করছে? sternocleidomastoid. Okay, so write it down. The below the hyoid or infrahyoid, it will encloses both side the sternocleidomastoid, একইভাবে স্প্লিট হয়ে এনক্লোজ করে। ওকে, তো এটা হয়ে গেল তো ডিপ ফসা। ওকে, নাও উইল কাম অ্যাবাউট দ্য রিজিয়নস। ওকে, সো at first suprahyoid region, suprahyoid deep structure, deep fossa is over, skin is over, superficial fossa, deep fossa. Now coming to the floor. Okay, so suprahyoid, which are the deep structure you will get? Write it down. There is one muscle. কি মাসেল হবে বলতো? ফ্লোর কি তৈরি করছে anterior triangle এর? mylohyoid. Okay, so first you will get the mylohyoid. Okay, which is making the floor of anterior triangle. Okay, now there are some structure which are embedded above the mylohyoid. Which are they? Number one is mylohyoid nerve. Okay, second one is submandibular gland. Okay, now submental branch of facial artery. Okay, so these are forming the floor of the suprahyoid area above the hyoid. Now coming to the infrahyoid region. So write it down, infrahyoid region. So here which muscle will form the floor? Hyoglossus. ঠিক আছে, hyoglossus. That means name signifies it will extend from hyoid bone to the tongue. Okay, so this floor is formed by hyoglossus. Okay, and which are the thing you will get over the infrahyoid region? Deep structure. Deep structure কি পাবে? The trachea you will get. Okay, and additionally there are two branches. Write it down. There are two branches, transverse and anterior branch of deep cutaneous nerve of neck. Deep cutaneous branch of neck. Okay, so this is making the floor. Now write it down. The anterior triangle is divided into how many triangle, or subdivided into further how many triangle? You have to say 3.5. Okay, write it down, 3.5 triangle. So if you see the anterior triangle, it is further divided into 3.5 triangle. Which are they? কি কি নাম আছে বল? Number one is over here, just below the symphysis menti. That is half. So that is known as submental triangle. So first one is the submental triangle. Okay, so this is actually not full. Okay, so second one is তারপর কি আছে বল? So that is another name is digastric triangle এর আরেকটা নাম কি? Submandibular triangle. Okay, second one is digastric or submandibular triangle. Third one is carotid triangle. Third one is the most important one, that is the carotid triangle. Okay, and the fourth one is the muscular triangle. Okay, so these are the 4 triangles, 3 and half is the submental triangle. Now one by one triangle. First one is the submental triangle. Okay, so submental triangle is formed by, tell me the boundary. So which is the key point over here? এখানে key point কি আছে? Hyoid, তাই তো? So there are 2 muscle you are aware of. There is one muscle has got 2 belly. One is anterior digastric, another one is posterior digastric. So that is a digastric muscle. So tell me the extension. Anterior digastric কোথা থেকে কোথায় অবধি থাকে? আর posterior digastric কোথা থেকে কোথায় অবধি থাকে? So write it down. Posterior digastric is found on the stylomastoid area, from the stylomastoid area and styloid process to the hyoid bone. Okay, and anterior belly of digastric, it will extend from the lower border of mandible to the hyoid bone. Okay, actually it is a one muscle but has got 2 belly. One is posterior belly, another one is anterior belly. Now tell me the nerve supply. I told million times about the nerve supply of digastric muscle. It's a hybrid muscle, has got dual nerve supply. Okay, so write it down. Anterior belly of digastric is supplied by mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Is a muscle of first branchial arch. Okay, so write it down. Anterior belly of digastric is supplied by, ভীষণ important, বারবার MCQ আছে এটা থেকে। Anterior belly of digastric is supplied by mandibular division, তার মানে V3 division of trigeminal nerve. Okay, whereas posterior belly is supplied by the facial nerve. Okay, where you have written the anterior belly, right there, first branchial arch. Okay, it develops from first branchial arch. Okay, and the posterior belly is coming from the second branchial arch. Okay, so the boundary of submental triangle is, write it down, the apex is formed by union of anterior belly of digastric and the hyoid bone. Okay, and the base is formed by, কোথা থেকে কোথা অবধি হবে? Symphysis menti to the angle of mandible. Symphysis menti to the angle of mandible. বুঝা গেল? Now tell me the content. What would be the content? So both side anterior belly of digastric আসছে, মাঝে কি আছে? hyoid. Okay, so it is making one full triangle both side. Okay, so content কি কি হবে? একটা আমি অলরেডি বলেওছি, কি কি কন্টেন্ট হবে এখানে। মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইজ, এখানে কিছুই থাকে না, মেইনলি হচ্ছে সাবমেন্টাল লিম্ফ নোডস, রাইট নাও, সাবমেন্টাল লিম্ফ নোডস। ওকে, এন্ড অ্যাডিশনালি যে স্ট্রাকচার গুলো বলেছিলাম, একটা তো সাবমেন্টাল ব্রাঞ্চ অফ ফেশিয়াল আর্টারি, আরেকটা হচ্ছে মাইলোহায়োড নার্ভ। Okay, so এটা হয়ে গেল তো সাবমেন্টাল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। নেক্সট ওয়ান উইল গো, দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ ডাইগ্যাস্ট্রিক ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। সো হাউ ইট ইজ ফর্মড? ডাইগ্যাস্ট্রিক ট্রায়াঙ্গেল কি করে তৈরি হয় বল? ভেরি ইজি। হ্যাঁ, ডাইগ্যাস্ট্রিক ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ইজ ভেরি ইজি। কি বললাম? হায়ার্ড বোনের একটা সাইডে আছে posterior belly of digastric, একটা সাইডে হচ্ছে anterior belly of digastric. It will form the digastric triangle. Yeah, both side apex would be formed by hyoid and base would be formed by remaining mandible. Remaining যতটা আছে, remaining মানে angle of mandible to the mastoid process. Okay, so write it down. The boundary is formed by anterior belly and posterior belly of digastric. Anterior belly and posterior belly of digastric. Base is extend from the angle of mandible to the mastoid process. Angle of mandible to the mastoid process. What about the content? Kiki content pabe er moddhe? So another name for digastric triangle ki submandibular triangle. That means which thing it will contain? This submandibular gland. Okay, write it down. First one is the submandibular gland. Okay, আর কি পাবে? The branches of facial artery. Okay, facial artery directly angle of mandible দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, so you will get the facial artery. Okay, so this is the content of the digastric triangle. Next one is the carotid triangle. Okay, so write it down, carotid triangle. So now tell me the boundary. So there are another muscle which has got two bellies, which is that is known as omohyoid. Okay, so write it down. Omohyoid has got superior and inferior bellies. Okay, and how this belly is formed? এখানেও একটা জিনিস ক্রস করছে, so which is that structure? That is nothing but sternocleidomastoid. Okay, so write it down. The omohyoid is divided into superior and inferior belly by the sternocleidomastoid. Superior and inferior belly by the sternocleidomastoid. So if you now say the boundary of carotid triangle, how does it will form? কোন বেলিটা আসবে? তার মানে above the sternocleidomastoid কি superior belly of omohyoid, below that is the inferior belly of omohyoid. This inferior belly will go to the posterior triangle. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে anterior triangle এর বাউন্ডারিটা কে তৈরি করবে? The superior belly of omohyoid. Superior belly of omohyoid. আর কি তৈরি করছে? তিনটে লাগবে না, তিনটে বাউন্ডারি লাগবে carotid triangle এর জন্য। digastric এর কোন বেলিটা হবে? posterior belly. Posterior belly of digastric. Okay, আরেকটা কি থাকবে? কোন border of sternocleidomastoid? Medial border. Lateral border তো ওইদিকে চলে গেল। Medial border means which is facing the neck. Okay, another one is medial border of sternocleidomastoid. Carotid triangle is very much important because this is the main all vessels that are going to the brain. Okay, so which are they? So what is carotid sheath? Definition of carotid sheath is, this is the condensation of the deep fossa of the neck. This is the condensation of the deep fossa of neck, which will contain, এবং ক্যারোটিড সিদে যদি দুটো তুই বাউন্ডারি দেখিস, ডিপ ফসা অফ নেকে পড়বি, অ্যান্টিরিয়ারলি কি থাকবে? প্রিট্রাকিয়াল। ওকে, প্রিট্রাকিয়াল ফসা, পোস্টেরিয়রলি কি থাকবে? প্রিভার্টিব্রাল ফসা। ওকে, সো হোয়াট আর দ্য কন্টেন্ট অফ ক্যারোটিড শীথ? ভেরি মাচ ইম্পর্টেন্ট, টেল মি হোয়াট আর দ্য কন্টেন্ট অফ ক্যারোটিড শীথ? First one is the common carotid artery. Okay, so now tell me about the heart. Common carotid artery for right and left, it is different, right? So how the left common carotid artery arises? Directly from the arch of aorta. What about the right one? It is coming from the brachiocephalic trunk. Okay, it will giving how many branches? Again 3 branches. Okay, so that thing you have to remember. If you are saying common carotid artery, both sides it is different. Okay, so number one structure is common carotid artery, and along with which are the branches? Kiki branches hai common carotid artery? One is going directly to the carotid canal to the brain, so that is the internal carotid artery. Then another one is external carotid artery, which will supply where? To the face and neck. Okay, so write it down, branches of the common carotid artery. Branches of common carotid artery. ওকে, আর কি থাকবে বল? So there are external and internal carotid artery, and another one is which vein would be there? Internal jugular vein. Internal jugular vein. Okay. And which nerve? Vagus nerve. Vagus nerve. Tell me one thing. Which nerve will cross the apex of lungs? Phrenic nerve. এটা সবসময় মনে রাখবি, কোন নার্ভটা ক্রস করছে এপেক্স অফ লাংস, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ফ্রেনিক। ভেগাসটা আরো কোন সাইডে থাকবে? ল্যাটারালি থাকবে। ফ্রেনিকটা পুরো মিডিয়ালি থাকবে। ওকে, so this is another one, and there is the sympathetic chain. Write it down. Another content is sympathetic chain, which is embedded on the posterior wall of carotid sheath. Which is embedded on the posterior wall of carotid sheath. তো এখান থেকে দুটো শর্ট নোট বারবার আসে, both physiology and anatomy. One is carotid body, another one is carotid sinus, তাই তো? So which are they? Carotid sinus টা কি? baroreceptor না chemoreceptor? উল্টোটা বললি, এই জন্যই আমি আরো জিজ্ঞাসা করলাম। ক্যারোটিড বডিটা হচ্ছে কেমোরিসেপ্টর, ক্যারোটিড বডিটা হচ্ছে কেমোরিসেপ্টর, আর ক্যারোটিড সাইনাসটা হচ্ছে ব্যারোরিসেপ্টর। সো ওয়্যার ইজ দ্য সিচুয়েশন অফ ক্যারোটিড সাইনাস? কোথায় থাকে? রাইট ইট ডাউন। জাস্ট দ্য টার্মিনাল এন্ড, জাস্ট দ্য টার্মিনাল এন্ড অফ কমন ক্যারোটিড আর্টারি, common carotid arteries, there is a situation of carotid sinus, and it is terminal end of common carotid artery, which is act as a baroreceptor, which is act as a baroreceptor. Okay, so any kind of sudden change of pressure, the patient would be unconscious. Okay, so that is the carotid sinus. Now coming to the carotid body, write it down. Carotid body. So where you will get the carotid body? Where the common carotid artery bifurcates. Okay, carotid body is usually found where the common carotid artery bifurcates into external and internal carotid artery, and it acts as a chemoreceptor. Chemoreceptor is concerned about chemoreceptor কি কাজ? So it has to deal with body's pH. It has to deal with body's pH. That means different type of acidosis or alkalosis, whether it is metabolic or respiratory. Okay, irrespective of that, so write it down. Carotid body. Carotid body act as a chemoreceptor, which act during acidosis and alkalosis, okay, which act during acidosis and alkalosis. Okay, so এটা একটু পড়ে নিবি, শর্ট নোট দুটো। ওকে, carotid body, আর একটা বারবার আছে, what is carotid body tumor? Okay, there is one thing called carotid body tumor. And this situation is very much important because এখানে কোন দুটো নার্ভ ক্রস করছে জানিস? which are the two nerve that would be found over there? Very good. Another one is glossopharyngeal. সেই জন্য যেটা বলে vasovagal attack, suddenly you have seen snake bend down. Okay, so that is due to this receptor. Okay, so just write it down. There are two cranial nerve which is situated just behind the carotid body is vagus and the glossopharyngeal nerve. Okay, so this is all about the carotid triangle. Okay, then the last one is very much important, that is known as muscular triangle. So which are the boundary for muscular triangle? Tell me, which are the boundary for muscular triangle? Muscular triangle. How many muscle you will get? So it would be above the hyoid or below the hyoid? Above the hyoid has been already taken up by submental and digastric. It's over. Carotid is backwards of the anterior triangle. Only the front is there lowerly. Okay, so just write it down. Muscular triangle. Muscular triangle is situated. Muscular triangle is situated just below the hyoid bone. Just below the hyoid bone. And the boundary has been formed by কি boundary হবে বল muscular triangle একটা হচ্ছে anterior midline, don't forget anterior midline of neck, anterior midline of neck, and another one is the medial border of sternocleidomastoid. Okay, now tell me the base. Base টা কে তৈরি করছে? superior belly of omohyoids. Base টা তৈরি হচ্ছে superior belly of omohyoid. ঠিক আছে? So why we are saying muscular triangle? Because there are so many important structure in the neck. Like কি কি structure আছে neck এ? Like the pharynx is extend as esophagus anteriorly, the larynx is extend as the trachea. Could you tell me what is the extension of larynx? ঠিক কোন জায়গাটায় থাকে? This is the neck, na? Anteriorly you will get the neck. So up to where there is a situation of the larynx. Extension ta bar bar MCQ ase, write it down. Extension of larynx is from C3 to C6. C3 to C6. Exactly kothay? The cricoid cartilage. It is guarded by cricoid cartilage. Okay. So after larynx, which thing will start? Most important, that is the trachea. Okay. And how the trachea is formed? There are some kind of C-shaped incomplete rings, right? So it will extend up to. Here is one very clinical importance. Suppose any patient having asphyxiated, okay, could not breathe and came to the ICCU. What you will do? You will perform the intubation. Okay. For that, you need to know the position of trachea. কোথায় থাকে? Okay. So write it down. During emergency condition, sudden asphyxiated patient, tracheostomy usually done. Tracheostomy বলেছি আমি, okay? Tracheostomy usually done by intubation. Okay. So there are 3 points of intubation. This thing you have to know. According to, write it down, there are 3 positions of intubation. 3 positions of intubation according to the position of thyroid cartilage. According to the position of the isthmus of thyroid. Okay. According to the position of isthmus of thyroid. Okay. Now suppose if you are doing above the isthmus of thyroid, you know what is isthmus of thyroid? Thyroid has got 2 lobes, right lobe and left lobe. It is connected by one isthmus. Okay. So if you are doing above the isthmus, what are the complications? Write it down. If the intubation has been made above the isthmus of thyroid, it will produce stricture. Now if you are doing below the isthmus, what will happen? It will also lead some kind of complication. Okay, তাহলে কোন পজিশনটা আছে? Only right the middle of isthmus. You have to take out the isthmus upward, then you will get the trachea. You have to intubate over there. বুঝা গেল? In front you have to take upwards the isthmus of the thyroid. Okay. There are some instrument by that they will take out. So that is tracheostomy, very much common ICC. Okay. So this is the tracheostomy. Tracheostomy is a clinical anatomy of tracheostomy. Okay. So these trachea, suppose your question is if you have to palpate the trachea, where you will palpate? Fronte to isthmus, it is guarded by isthmus of thyroid. You could not palpate. So where you will palpate? That is the suprasternal notch or the space of bun. Okay, write it down. Space of bun. Okay, over here. So palpation of trachea has been made at the suprasternal notch, or the space of burn. BURN. Okay. So in the muscular triangle, what are the muscles that will involve? Write it down. All the infrahyoid muscle. All the infrahyoid muscle is the content of muscular triangle. Okay. These are also known as strap muscle. Strap muscle. Strap muscle purchased. Where you will get? Strap muscle means what? There are muscle are present in 1 by 1 layer. Where? In the rectus sheath. Rectus sheath also an example of the strap muscle. The same like you will get the anterior triangle of the neck. So these are also known as strap muscle. Now tell me who will tell the name. Chatte muscle ache. Which are they? Write it down. First one is sternohyoid. Layer by layer. If you go anterior to posterior, prothome kake pabe? Sternohyoid. Sternohyoid. Then you will get sternothyroid. Okay. Then next one you will get what? The thyrohyoid. Next one is the thyrohyoid. And the last one is the omohyoid. So what is the mnemonic you will remember? It is TOSS. Okay. TOSS. But you have to remember anterior to posterior. Sternohyoid. So tell me the extension of sternohyoid. Sternum পড়েছি আমরা. Sternum which part? Manubrium. Manubrium to the hyoid bone, lower part of hyoid, then the sternothyroid. So that means from sternum to the thyroid cartilage. Then next one is the thyrohyoid. So thyrohyoid, there are two type of thing. One is membrane, another one is muscle. Okay. So next floor you will get the thyrohyoid and last one is the omohyoid. So which omohyoid you will get? Superior belly of omohyoid. What about the inferior belly? From where it will come, do you know? পড়েছিস এটা কোথায় পড়েছিস? স্ক্যাপুলার কোন পার্টে? So that is known as suprascapular notch. Okay. কোথা থেকে অরিজিন নেয় ওমোহয়েডটা? suprascapular notch, inferior bellyটা. Okay. So this is the muscular triangle. Now coming to the content, কি হবে content বল? Write it down. Number 1 is the thyroid gland, very much important. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, trachea and larynx. Okay. Trachea and the larynx. Okay, and if you go posteriorly, you will also get the esophagus. Okay. So suppose in clinical anatomy, if there is any piercing of the neck or cutting of the throat, it's very common emergency condition. So what you will do? Where you will put the incision? Remember, in the neck you have to always put the incision, whether it is surgical or emergency, you have to keep the horizontal incision. Okay, never do it in the vertical. Otherwise there would be formation of the fibrous tissue and the scar. ঠিক আছে, এটা একটু লিখে নে। So whenever any emergency condition or surgical intervention, the incision of the neck, the incision of neck is usually made through the horizontal line, made through the horizontal line. If in case of vertical incision, because it explain why askte pare, okay, because in case of vertical incision it might give the scar due to fibrous tissue, the scar due to fibrous tissue. ওকে, আরেকটা জিনিস, ল্যাঙ্গার্স, হ্যাঁ উপর দিয়ে কাটা হবে, ল্যাঙ্গার্স লাইনে উপর দিয়ে যাবে। ওকে, so see another one is here you have to study what are the branches of external carotid artery, very much important. Okay, write it down, branches of, যেখানে তুই common carotid artery টা পড়ছিস, you already know internal carotid artery is going to the brain to the carotid canal. So what about the external carotid artery? ভাইবাতেও জিজ্ঞাসা করে বারবার, how many branches? কতগুলো ব্রাঞ্চ? 8 branches. Okay, there are 8 branches, 8টা ব্রাঞ্চ থাকে নেকে। ওকে, নাম্বার 1 is, প্রথমে কাকে দেবে? সুপিরিয়র থাইরয়েড। নাম্বার 1 is superior thyroid. Then next one is ascending pharyngeal, ascending pharyngeal. Then third one is the lingual. তারপরটা হচ্ছে ফেশিয়াল। Four is over. So one by one superior thyroid কাকে দিচ্ছে? thyroid gland. Ascending pharyngeal pharynx কে দিচ্ছে। Then next one is the lingual, it is going to the tongue. Fourth one is the facial, you know all the branches. Okay, then which are the other 4? So write it down, there are 2 branches which is going to the back of the head. Okay, back of the head on the external surface. Okay, one is occipital artery, and another one is the posterior auricular artery. Just it is present just posterior to the ear, posterior auricular artery. And what about the terminal branch? There are 2 terminal branch. So terminal branch of external carotid artery কি কি হবে বল? একটা হবে maxillary artery, another one is superficial temporal. Okay, একটা হচ্ছে maxillary artery, another one is superficial temporal. Okay, so these are the branches of the external carotid artery. Okay, so you have to study over there that not only the submandibular gland, it will also close the parotid gland. ঠিক আছে, দুটো salivary gland থাকে anterior triangle, one is submandibular, another one is parotid. Okay, so we'll go for dissection now. Okay, that is all about anterior triangle.